students. Now I am going to discuss another fluid property that is called surface tension. Okay, surface tension. It is denoted by sigma. So far we have discussed mass density, weight density, thereafter a specific volume, relative density or a specific gravity, kinematic viscosity, dynamic viscosity. Okay, thereafter this is surface tension, and after this we will study about the compressibility effect also, that if we complete these topics then our properties of the fluid topic will be over. Okay, now surface tension. Surface tension is a fluid property which resist tensile stress or tensile force. Okay, surface tension is a property of the fluid which resists the tensile force. In another way also we can say, this is the first. Another, surface tension is a force required to maintain unit length of film in equilibrium. That means it is denoted by sigma. It is a line force. Line force means what is force per unit length. So sigma is Newton per meter here. See here. So what I have written in definition number 2, surface tension is a force required to maintain the unit length. This is unit length, force required to maintain the unit length of the film in equilibrium. That force is called surface tension force. Okay, so force by length, that is, this is why line force. Line force means per unit length. So that is called line force, and it is denoted by sigma. Sigma is equal to Newton per meter. Okay, so these are the things about the surface tension. Surface tension is a fluid property which resists the tensile stress. Another way also, by this equation I have written there, surface tension is a force required to maintain a unit distance, unit length of the film, okay, in the equilibrium, denoted by sigma, line force also. Now it is responsible for surface tension is responsible for, see here, one is bubble formation, capillarity, and third is cavitation. See, these two things are positive, useful properties, but this is harmful properties. This should not be harmful property. This cavitation takes place in the case of hydraulic machines like turbine, pumps, and this should not be. This is undesirable property actually. Undesirable property which should not be, but it is unavoidable. It will be present in pumps or turbines. Or pumps. It will be all present in fluid machines. Here we are not going to study cavitation, only we are going to study the bubble formation and capillarity that comes due to surface tension. Okay, so surface tension responsible for bubble formation or capillarity. Another is cavitation. Here we are not going to study cavitation. Cavitation we will study in fluid machines, while we will discuss the different types of turbine, Pelton wheels, then Francis turbine, and Kaplan, Pelton, Francis, Kaplan turbine, and pumps like centrifugal pump and reciprocating pump. There we will discuss this cavitation. So let us discuss first thing. Now here this bubble formation means pressure intensity. We have to find out pressure intensity. Case 1, pressure intensity of droplets. Okay, so bubble or droplets formation. Okay, surface tension is responsible for bubble or droplets formation. So pressure intensity of a droplets. Now we are going to discuss. See, this is a spherical shell. Okay, like this. Now this is the diameter. Okay, so this will have like this, surface tension force like this. Okay, so that is sigma, and this will be opposed by pressure intensity. Okay, and this is sigma, and this is pressure. This is diameter of the bubble, droplets, and this is the surface tension. Okay, now what are the forces here? See here, this surface tension, force of surface tension will be equal to sigma into pi b. That is cross sectional area, surface area. Okay, and force of pressure, that is bursting force, will be P into pi by 4 d square. Okay, so these two forces are equal. How it is equal? In equilibrium, what we are going to do, that is P into pi by 4 d square is equal to sigma into pi d. So pi will get cancelled, d will get cancelled. So P, that is pressure intensity of pressure intensity will be equal to 4 sigma by d. So this is the formula to find out the pressure intensity inside a droplets. There are so many other cases also that we will discuss in next class. So let us sum up what we have studied. What is surface tension? Surface tension is a fluid property which resists the tensile stress. Actually, it is the combination of force of adhesion and force of cohesion also. And this surface tension is a force required to maintain the unit length of the film in equilibrium. It is denoted by sigma. And it is a line force. So force per unit length is this one, Newton per meter. This is responsible for bubble formation, capillary cavitation. Okay, so pressure intensity I have found out in the droplets, that will become P is equal to 4 sigma by d. Then we will see another cases for bubble and liquid jet, then capillarity also, that we will see in the next class. Thank you.